Listen carefully, men. Not every woman you meet is meant to be loved. Some are meant to test you, expose your insecurities, and remind you where you still lack self-control. But a woman with a secure attachment style, she doesn't play games. She doesn't pull away to punish you or manipulate your emotions to feel powerful. Her peace is her strength, and if you ever meet one, you'll know, because her presence will calm you instead of confusing you. So how do you identify her? First, watch her in moments of conflict. A secure woman doesn't weaponize silence or run away when things get uncomfortable. She listens. She speaks with clarity, not chaos. She seeks understanding, not victory. That's your first sign. Emotional steadiness under pressure. Second, pay attention to how she gives space. An anxious woman clings. An avoidant one disappears. But a secure woman trusts the bond. She lets you breathe. She doesn't need to check your phone or test your loyalty through drama. Her security comes from within, not from your validation. Third, observe her consistency. She doesn't shift moods like a storm. Her affection, her attention, her energy, they don't vanish when you stop performing. She gives because it's who she is, not because she's trying to get something in return. Now, the harder question, how do you attract a woman like that? You can't fake it. Secure women are emotional detectors. They sense instability before you speak a word. You attract her not by chasing, but by becoming what she already is. Grounded, honest, calm under pressure. You show that your peace isn't dependent on her response. You see, the truth is, secure women aren't drawn to drama. They're drawn to depth, to a man who owns his emotions but isn't ruled by them, a man who can say what he feels without losing his frame. You attract security by embodying security. Start with self-awareness. Heal the anxious part of you that needs constant reassurance. Confront the avoidant part that hides behind distance and detachment. Every time you face those shadows, you grow more attractive to the kind of woman who doesn't need to fix you, but can walk beside you. And when you meet her, don't confuse peace with boredom. A secure relationship won't give you the highs and crashes of a toxic one. It gives you something rarer, emotional safety, a place where your masculinity isn't threatened but trusted. So, if you want to find a secure woman, start by becoming the kind of man who can hold peace, not chaos. Because in the end, like attracts like. A calm heart calls in another calm heart. And when two secure souls meet, it's not fireworks. It's fire, steady, quiet, and unbreakable.